Welcome to Learn English Easily channel. Our topic of the day is past tense, past perfect and perfect continuous tense. How do we use the past perfect? So let us know about it. The past perfect tense expresses action in the past before another action in the past. This is the past in the past, means long past. Example, the train left at 9 am. We arrived at 9:15 am. When we arrived, the train had left. Structure of past tense. So you can see the structure of the affirmative sentences in past perfect tense. Subject, had, past participle, object, after, before, and then simple past tense. As you can see the structure over here, subject, V2 means past form and object. Examples, the doctor had left the clinic before I reached there. And the negative sentence, my mother had not cooked food before we helped her. Now you can see one structure, had is before the subject. So this structure is interrogative sentences in past perfect tense. Had, subject, past participle, object, before or after, and then simple past tense. The structure of simple past tense, as you know, is subject, past form means V2 and then object. So how this past perfect and simple past come together? Examples, this is interrogative sentence. So had has been used before the subject. Had the train left before you arrived the station? Had the boys won the match before you went there? So, had he never seen such a beautiful sight before? Where had he gone when my sister reached his home? There are some examples of past perfect tense. The positive and negative sentences you can see. I had never seen such a beautiful beach before I went to Kauai. I did not have any money because I had lost my wallet. Tony knew Istanbul so well because he had visited the city several times. Had Susan ever studied Thai before she moved to Thailand? She only understood the movie because she had read the book. Christine had never been to an opera before last night. We were not able to get a hotel room because we had not booked in advance. Had you ever visited the US before your trip in 2006? A question by A. And the answer again in the past perfect tense, yes, I had been to the US once before. Now, adverb placement in past perfect tense. The examples below show the placement for grammar adverbs such as always, only, never, ever, still, just, etc. Examples, you had previously studied English before you moved to New York. Had you previously studied English before you moved to New York? So there is one is interrogative and so one is simple affirmative and the other is interrogative sentence, and you can see the adverbs also like before. Examples, we had that car for 10 years before it broke down. By the time Alex finished his studies, he had been in London for over 8 years. They felt bad about selling the house because they had owned it for more than 40 years. So you can see the examples of past perfect tense. They had owned, he had been in London you can see the film had started before we arrived. So, to talk about a past action that ended before another action, or time in the past, we use before and after. We use the simple past too. As I've just told, the film had started before we arrived. We also use the past perfect to show the cause of a past action. I was tired on Monday because I hadn't slept well in the night before. With time expressions such as when, after, before, as soon as, by the time, by, and until. So it's correct to say after he had finished the meeting, he had a phone call, or before he made a telephone call, he had finished the meeting. So you can see the examples of past perfect tense here. Past perfect continuous tense. Now we come to past perfect continuous, which is also known as past perfect progressive. The past perfect continuous tense, also known as the past perfect progressive, shows that an action that started in the past continued up until another time in the past. Means it started in the long past but continued in the past also. The past perfect continuous is constructed using had been, the verbs present, root ing. Structure of past perfect continuous tense. Affirmative sentences. You can see she had been, V1 ing plus object plus since or for and then time. Examples. The masons had been constructing a new house since a week. Okay. I had been struggling for good position for a long period of time. Past perfect continuous tense, you can see affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. So in affirmative sentences, had been plus first form of verb ing is used, and to express time, for or since is used. In negative sentences, had plus not, been, first form ing is used. In interrogative sentences, had is used before subject, been, first form of verb ing is used. So sign of interrogation is also used. Had is used before the subject. You can see here. Now he was tired. We can say. Now we can see the difference between present tense and past continuous and past perfect continuous. He was tired because he was exercising so hard. Okay, so this sentence emphasizes that he was tired because he was doing exercise. He was exercising at that exact moment. He was tired because he had been exercising so hard. So this indicates the past perfect continuous tense because this emphasizes a period of time that started before past. You can see past perfect continuous tense. So the structure is there. We had been looking for the wallet for 2 hours when Susan found it. The ground was wet. It had been raining all day. And they said it had been raining. In reported speech you can see. So there is an exercise. You can do this exercise on your own by using the correct form of verb. Laura needed a break because she had been studying all morning. Lorraine. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.